In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious strawberry cheesecake baked oats recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 2/3 cup of oats, 2/3 cup of milk, strawberries, half of a frozen banana, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of cream cheese. In a blender, add the milk, oats, bananas, maple syrup, salt, and the baking powder, and blend until smooth. In an oven-safe bowl, we're going to pour out half of our oatmeal mixture. We're going to add the cream cheese to the center. Cover completely with the remaining oatmeal mixture. Top with strawberries. We're going to bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 22 to 25 minutes. Our strawberry cheesecake baked oats are complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy!